Sam here, your independent Norwex sales consultant, and I can't wait to show you how to use the Ergo bend. So I want to show you how to attach it to your mop, how to put it all together, and then how to use it. So first of all, if you didn't know, your mop does come detached, the base from the top portion. So all you have to do is squeeze the little green tabs and pop it off so that way you can detach the base from the mop handle. And then this is the Ergo bend, and I just dropped the screw, so hold on. So all you do is you take this thinner part of the Ergo bend here, and you're going to place it down inside your mop pole so that the holes line up and you can see right through. And then the screw that comes with it, you just place it right through there. There's a little nut, and you're just going to screw the nut onto the end. I just do it by hand tightening it, but you can use a screwdriver if you need to, and it will move back and forth, so there's plenty of space for it there. What you're going to find is the length of your pole is now going to be a lot longer, and there's a couple ways that you can attach the mop base to this depending on what you want to do. So on one side of the Ergo bend, you're going to see there's two holes. So let me show you what happens when you attach it to the two hole side. So I'm going to squeeze these green tabs in here and attach it in there. And this is on the two hole side of the Ergo bend. And you're going to see that the mop base, like you're used to, can travel in every single direction. So this is great for when you're actually mopping. Now hang on tight just for a minute, because I'm going to show you how to use the Ergo bend to reach far underneath of stuff and to get up on high. First I want to show you all the things that it does. So next you can turn it to the one hole. So we just squeeze those green tabs in, put it in there, and it doesn't go 360, it actually just goes back and forth. So you can only tilt it side to side, back and forth, but it doesn't actually rotate in a full circle. So you're going to have more limited motion, but this is better if you want some extra reach on something, you want to go right underneath something and straight back out without having to lock down the base. You can also still use this locking mechanism if you wanted to. You just pop it down, pop it into place, and the head only goes back and forth, but we don't need that for right now. So we've got the Ergo bend attached, and it's on a spring. So I'm going to show you, you want to make sure that you keep your hands out of the way for a spring, but you just can pull it and then turn it to the side. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Pull it and turn it to the side. And depending on where you have it attached is the direction that it's going to go. So let's take a look at that. Let's go out to some hardwood flooring here and see what this looks like. Alright, so I'm going to put you down on the floor so I can show this off to you. So all I'm going to do to turn this to the side is to step down here on the base, pull up, and tilt it to the side. So when it's on the one hole, it's going to tilt the long way across the mop. I'm going to switch it to the two hole. Now I've rotated it, so when I pull it up, it's actually going to go short way across the mop. So depending on what you're trying to reach and how you're trying to sweep or mop, that's the way you're going to want this to go. So let's go try and get underneath the stuff to clean off the dust, and I'll also show you how we can use it up real high to reach some things. So we're going to travel out here. I've got a hutch here. Now you're still going to want your pole at mouth level for when you're sweeping or mopping. So I'm going to make sure that I put my rubber ball at my mouth. All I'm going to do is step on the base and push, or I can step on the base, pull up, and pull back. And I can now go underneath of this much easier than I could if I had just the pole. I wouldn't be able to reach all the way underneath here and to the side to be able to clean out all those dust bunnies that get stuck up underneath of there. put it back into place, I just step on the base again and just let it back. It locks right back into place. But the nice thing is, this can make my handle extra extendable because it's going to add about extra 6 inches onto the pole. So you can reach some really high places with this Ergo bend. Some really high windows if you need to do some window cleaning. But let me show you how to reach a high ledge or to dust something that's really, really high for you with the Ergo bend. So, one moment here. We're going to aim it up here at this window ledge. I've got a window ledge that never gets dusted and my Ergo bend. So I'm going to just pull and move it to the side, okay? And then you can use it. Go right up here. I don't have my mop pad. This direction. All right, ready? So we're going to go right up here. And I can pull it right along this ledge and dust it right off with the Ergo bend. It makes it super easy. Now I've got some blinds that are closed up here, but I think you guys get that general idea of pulling all the way across so that I can dust that area up there without any problem. And then to put it back into place, just lift it and set it back into place. Now, I think that's pretty awesome, right? So reaching back far underneath of things, or just reaching up high to grab stuff, and you can just leave it on your mop all of the time because your mop will still function the same way with it on there, and then it's easy to go right underneath of things. So get yours at www.samfranks.norwex.biz. More added use for the mop handle and Ergo bend is to give you some extra reach to clean the things that are up high. So we are going to use our Enviro wand. If you didn't know, the handle on the Enviro wand detaches by just pushing in these white tabs right here. Put it on or off, and it detaches the handle so that I can put my Enviro wand right onto my Ergo bend. So I've got it attached to my Ergo bend. This is giving me about 8 inches of extra reach for something really high. But if you have some maybe high, very deep, maybe windowsills up, in a stairway, entryway area, or some high, deep cabinets that don't go all the way to the ceiling, all you have to do is pull up with the Ergo bend and tip it to the side. Now I put the Enviro one on the wrong way. I put it in here with the double holes, so I'm actually going to rotate that. I'm going to put it in with the single hole so it's facing the right direction for my dusting. And then this way you have extra long reach to reach back for all of those cabinets or windowsills that need a deeper reach, and then you can extend your pole all the way. You can also still bend your Enviro wand like always and then bend it back to normal if you need to. Or you can just use it for the extra height that you can get on it and bend it right here and use it as normal. So it's either going to give you extra width or it's going to give you some extra height or a little bit of both for your cleaning.